When we're doing a new product development or process development, we have basically a test plan and a list of activities goes from point A to point B, with point B being released to production and delivery to customers. Um, and we do this, that whole process needs to be very strategic in how we think about it, how we sequence things and so on. Because the whole product development process is about learning, reducing risk, understanding our risk, understanding how our product or process performs. So we need to be very clear on what questions we have, what things do we need to learn, and how can we best set ourselves up to learn those things. Well, sometimes people set up kind of like this one giant test to kind of learn everything in one step. I think it makes a lot more sense, and particularly when I get called into organizations, to break it into phases. Here's what we're going to do in phase one. And that phase one may be a limited depth and maybe a limited width, but things that kind of fit together. And so there may be 3 phases. And after we complete phase one, then we may learn some things and we can look at what happens in phase two. And phase three is a little bit more sketchy, but based on learning from phase one and two, how can we apply that and modify what we need to have done in the phase three? Part of those phases could also be technology groupings. So maybe phase one is maybe mechanical things, and phase two is maybe electrical. Or maybe at a higher level, during phase one, we do some mechanical and separate electrical tests in parallel instead of in series, because they really shouldn't, the learning shouldn't influence each other. So we want to compress our schedule by doing those in parallel. So again, questions: where do we need to have the learning? Where's our risk? Where's our uncertainty? Think about a phased, evolving approach, and use our technology groupings or technology risks and how those things react or interact together as part of our strategy and how to organize it. If you need help with creating a strategic test plan for your new product, your new process, or to improve something that's existing, call us here at Prairie Solutions. We can set up a strategic test plan for you, with you, help you set it up, execute it, analyze it, make decisions, and move forward.